Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do the Hangover mission in Skate 4. So what you'll need to do is here the Boardslide and land it in 180 spin to get the best sequence 350. And what you'll need to do is to do all the above in one sequence. So right here you will need to grind it. Let's try it again. So here just grind it, and then you'll need to land 180 clean spin. So that's how we get all above in one sequence. So the hardest part is to get all above in one sequence. So let's try it again. As you can see, we got all above in one sequence. So that's pretty much it, guys. Subscribe and comment down for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.